Hey, welcome back to my channel. Replaced remote control for Sony RMAAU019 STR. Replacement remote for Sony home theater audio-video receiver AD system. Replacement remote for Sony home theater audio-video receiver AD system. No programming required. Put batteries in and will work well. Power supply 2x 1.5V AA batteries. 180 days warranty. Fast shipping. Any questions, please just contact us. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.